in today's video, there is a new update in Animal Company. Hell yeah.
Monkey, so I'm gonna be in a video on you about that.
Yeah. Wait, I want to see the
And
new
then,
items. Okay, new items. There is...
damn, I didn't know.
I am a serial killer.
Whoa, micro broccoli bomb and mega broccoli bomb.
Yeah, I have those. I can show you all. I can show you.
Yeah. I want to try.
Come here.
Woo. Whoa.
I'm gonna give you this.
You
Okay,
can get
take
banned
that.
for that. You can get banned.
Click B on your right controller.
If you use it,
Should I do it
Click
outside
B
the
on your
area?
right controller.
Hey
No, just click B on your right controller. Click B on your right
How
controller.
goes the plan?
Okay, now hit the ground big. Monkey. Hit the ground.
Oh, now we almost died.
Oh!
Is he red watch?
That is... Okay, that is
Yeah, but
awesome.
we couldn't.
Wait, don't
We
kill
couldn't
me.
use it
Okay,
on the
you could.
monsters. We should have used it on the monsters.
Also, I saw someone with like a bomb
They were trying
connected
small
to
or
an
big.
arrow. A bomb
Oh
on
yeah,
an
that's
arrow?
the new unreleased arrow.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
unreleased.
but,
Okay.
Mr.
Well-
Grey Wolf checked it out on us. Like he didn't
Hey,
have
guys,
it,
I don't know.
but in the picture, it looks like he has it. He has it.
Guys, we're gonna look at this.
Yeah, look at. Just look at it. Just look.
What?
I didn't actually want to do that.
Contribute to earn.
Yeah, I already have 12 things.
Input all this.
We're supposed to get 100.
Oh.
Guys, where are you? Oh, there's it.
Okay. Wait, but what's this back here? Next to this portal thing. Should I go in?
Going where?
Oh, you can't go in it.
Where are you? Oh, I see you. Jump in here.
Oh no, that kills you.
I'm a sacrifice.
Do it.
Self-sacrifice, yo.
I'll be the sacrifice. So we're gonna get silver first, and then we're gonna go to sewers to get uranium. Man, did they buff the spider?
Yes, they did. They buffed every monster.
Oh yeah, they did. I remember seeing that in the Discord.
Elf, Mimic. Mimic, go away.
Oh!
Ow.
I'm going to mine.
Why did they buff this so much? Oh my god, Mimic got so much health. Finally, bro.
Guys, are you in sewer?
Okay, but they buffed crates as well.
Yes.
They buffed
I'm at
crates.
mine, but I'm coming to. Wait, you're at mine?
Yeah, we're at mines.
I'm in this one.
It's over here. There we go. Go through.
I'm going above.
Go through it. Finally.
Okay, I'll put any silver.
Ow. What? Oh,
Okay.
hell no, bro.
Someone revive me!
Kill the spider.
He's killing us. He's not. How do I kill him? Someone revive me!
I'm alive. Okay, let's go.
I wish I had the things right here. I wasn't looking at it. I was looking.
Okay,
What's doing that? Ow. I'm out.
dude, I'm like genuinely gonna die. I died. Okay, so is that all that's in the update? Wire running into there. And then a little Duracell battery, and I forget the name of that. I think that's like an Amazon Basic or something. Anyways, these are the differences. This one, you eat it. This one, you don't eat it. So let's eat it, and we're big, just like that. Easy, simple, effective. However, if you want to make multiple people big at once, we recommend this thing. Yeah, you throw this at the ground. Well, you press B, and then throw it. And then everyone around there gets big. Hey, you want this cheese? You want cheese?
Cheese touch?
Catch me if you can. Hey, catch me if you can. Alright everyone, well I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And I am gonna go make this guy as big as your mom. Goodbye.
Bigger and bigger.
You can't. Bro, what?